Pretense. People pretend to be who they are not. And Sarkodie is one of those. Not two ways about that. Now, if you have followed Sarkodie and you want to remove that veil from your eyes, you will know that this is a fake guy. That's true. Fake. There are so many things I can say about Sarkodie. But for the fact that I would not have time to go through that, I will just mention a couple of them. Number one, there was a time Sarkodie was seeking some finance to help a girl who was very sick. I think the amount involved was about 10,000 Ghana cedis or something. And this was about 2 years ago. Sarkodie came on Twitter and was asking people to donate to a cost of 10,000 Ghana cedis so that they would use that money to take care of a sick child who was in ICU. 10,000 Ghana cedis. Yet this is the same person who says, money no be problem. Huh? If money no be problem, somebody you claim is in ICU wants the money, 10,000 Ghana cedis. You come and sit on Twitter and ask fans to donate. How long would it take to raise the 10,000 Ghana cedis? By what time this little girl in the ICU probably would have been long dead and buried? True? This was what Sarkodie did. Money don't be problem.